Guys, it's the Bumblebee Unboxer, and I'm back with DC Comics Superheroes Justice League Aquaman set, the Battle of Atlantis. This set comes with a parademon, two Atlantean guards, and Aquaman, as you can see. And I'm doing Legos now, so deal with it. So, not trying to be mean. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox this. And yeah, I'm gonna have to pause to unbox it.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, I accidentally paused it. So yeah, there's the wings to the parademon. Comes with two. I don't know why, but it comes with two. There's one of the sets. There's one of the packages. Package number 1. And we got, we got the stickers for the little ears. We got instructions. We have Lego package number 2. This set was $20, guys. $20, and I saved up enough money to get another parademon wing set. What is with these parademon wing sets? There's only one parademon. But yeah, there's packages. I'm going to pause right here. Not yet, but I'm gonna pause right here to build it, and I'll see you when I'm done.